Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom T290L2 front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi crew cab spares OR repairs body, white, crew cab mileage, 191695 MOT, 25 January 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has snapped. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on